Right now, researchers are engineering particles 100,000 times smaller than the width of a human hair, and those particles are already diagnosing cancer earlier, powering cleaner energy, and building materials stronger than steel. This isn't sci-fi, this is the future being manufactured at the nanoscale. Nanotechnology has quietly become one of the most transformative forces of the 21st century. While the word nano might sound abstract, the impact is extremely real and extremely American. From medical breakthroughs in Boston to next-gen electronics in Silicon Valley, the United States is driving a wave of innovation that will redefine how we live, work, and solve global challenges. At its core, nanotechnology is the engineering of matter at the atomic and molecular scale, between 1 and 100 nanometers. By operating this small, scientists unlock properties that simply don't exist at normal sizes: enhanced strength, higher conductivity, precise chemical reactivity, and ultra-efficient energy transfer. These advantages are exactly why industries across the US are doubling down on nano-enabled solutions. Nanotechnology in medicine, precision that saves lives. One of the most disruptive applications is in healthcare. Traditional treatments often come with side effects because they target the whole body. Nanotechnology flips that script. Engineers are developing nanoparticles that deliver medication directly into diseased cells while avoiding healthy tissue. That means more effective cancer treatments with fewer side effects. Hospitals are testing nanosensors that continuously monitor biomarkers, giving doctors real-time data that improves early detection. Researchers are also exploring nanostructured scaffolds for regenerative medicine, structures that guide cells to rebuild tissues after injury. For chronic diseases, nano-based diagnostic tools are enabling earlier detection than ever before. In short, the medical field is entering a precision era powered by nanoscale engineering. Energy and environment, cleaner power, smarter materials. The United States faces a major challenge: meeting growing energy demands without accelerating climate change. Nanotechnology is stepping up with practical, scalable solutions. Solar panels using nanostructured materials capture more light and convert energy more efficiently, making renewable energy more cost-competitive. Nano-enhanced batteries store more power in smaller spaces, supporting electric vehicles and grid-level storage. Water purification systems using nanofilters are removing contaminants that traditional filters miss, including heavy metals, microplastics, and industrial chemicals. As drought becomes a national concern, nano-enabled desalination and filtration may become essential public infrastructure. Nano coatings are also transforming buildings and transportation. Surfaces treated with nanoparticle layers can repel dirt, resist corrosion, or reflect heat, reducing maintenance costs and lowering energy consumption. These aren't theoretical concepts, they're already being deployed in major US cities. Electronics and computing, the next frontier of power and speed. Modern electronics rely on shrinking components to boost performance. Nanotechnology is the reason smartphones, laptops, and data centers keep getting faster, smaller, and more energy efficient. Graphene, carbon nanotubes, and other nano-engineered materials are enabling transistors far smaller than anything possible with traditional silicon. This jump in computing performance will fuel artificial intelligence, advanced robotics, and quantum research. Flexible, nano-enabled electronics will open the door to wearable health devices, foldable displays, and next-gen communication systems. As demand for digital infrastructure grows, nanotechnology will remain the backbone of American innovation. Nanotechnology in everyday life, quiet innovations you already use. Most people don't realize they interact with nanotechnology every day. It's built into sunscreen, scratch-resistant eyeglasses, antibacterial clothing, high-performance sports equipment, and even long-lasting car paint. Food packaging uses nano coatings to prevent spoilage. Bedding and upholstery use nanoparticle treatments to resist stains. Cosmetics use nano formulations for smoother application and better absorption. These small design choices create outsized benefits, better durability, improved safety, and longer product life. The road ahead: big potential, big responsibility. As with any powerful technology, the stakes are high. Ensuring safe development is essential. U.S. agencies and universities are leading global research on nanoparticle safety and environmental impact. When adopted responsibly, nanotechnology could unlock sustainable solutions for generations. But here's the real takeaway. The countries that master nanoscale innovation will influence the future of global technology. The United States is positioned to lead, but the momentum depends on continued investment, education, and public-private collaboration. If you want to stay ahead of the curve, this is the space to watch. Nanotechnology isn't just another tech trend, it's the infrastructure of the future. Subscribe for deeper dives into breakthrough innovations, real-world applications, and the science reshaping tomorrow. Stay informed, stay curious, and stay ready, because the nano revolution is already here, and it's only getting bigger.